Alright, you've seen the title. You know what we're here to do. Rules are simple. Gotta make the whole song in 10 minutes. Now the question is, can I actually do that?
Fuck no, baby!
To be honest with you, bruh, it's not happening. Let's just be for real. Who knows, maybe it'll be funny, let's see.
Nope.
Let me start the timer. Alright, 10 minutes, let's go. The song starts off, it's like...
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no. Yes.
Let him cook now!
You're out!
Yeah, I'm not finna do this, bro. There's no way. Let's just start recording, whatever. Let's just do it. Okay. Nah, that was kind of tough.
Yeah.
How much time I got? That was 2 minutes? Bro, that's the simplest part of the song. There's no way. All lights out for me.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Oh my god, you fucking suck! What the fuck?
There's no way this is how it's supposed to sound, but I don't care, bro. This song is not gonna be accurate. I'm almost out of time.
Really, nigga?
Ew! Oh, that's so trash.
That's right!
Oh, whatever, bro. This must be the snare. Oh, whoa. What is that?
I think this nigga is really retarded.
Shut the hell up!
Oh, no. Alright, just lay it down real quick.
Oh my god!
So I think it goes like... Dude, that's so bad.
Yeah.
Pretty sure there's one right here.
What the fuck?
No, there's not.
Try!
Bro! What am I doing? There we go.
That shit is fucking trash.
Huh?
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
Bro, I got 2 minutes. Alright. Okay, I don't care, just record.
Cut the shit the fuck off. What is he doing? I don't know.
What the fuck?
There's 1 minute. Okay, hold on.
Hell no! We done! Make it stop!
Hold on. Pause the clock. It's 15 seconds. I don't care. I'm about to record some vocals. Wait, why am I standing up? Y'all can't see me.
I'm a dumbass.
Alright, I'm about to record some vocals and we're gonna be done, I swear. That was like the quickest 10 minutes of my life. This is hot garbage. But let me get in character. I probably look stupid as alright. So you know how in football, on the last play, right? They start the clock, but when it ends, it doesn't stop until like the play stops.
We don't care.
So what we finna do, I got 15 seconds. I'm gonna record the whole song straight through. And we'll see how it goes from there. I don't know. Start the clock. Let's do this. See this in? Oh, wait. Stop the clock. I'm not even on the right thing. Hold on.
Fucking job.
See this in 3D. All lights out for me. All lights out for me. Lightning strikes the beast.